What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the Ruko F11 GIM2 4K camera drone. First of all, I really want to thank Ruko for sending this out to me so I can try it out and give them some of my feedback. And I can tell you, I've had an absolute pleasure flying this little drone. It's been great. It captures beautiful video and captures wonderful photos. The takeoff weight on this guy is 562 grams, so you will have to register it in the US if you're going to fly it. And one of the wonderful things about this drone is it has a beginner mode, which means it will limit the distance and height and distance away from the controller that it will fly, so that you can get used to flying the drone before you turn that off. And you can just go into the settings very easily and turn off the beginner mode, and then set everything like your return to home altitude and all of those different settings very easily. You also have a 2-axis gimbal on the camera and in-body stabilization. So the in-body stabilization actually takes up for that third axis that you don't have on this particular camera, and it works, like I said, extremely well. I've gotten plenty of great video out of it. It comes with a nice case, 2 batteries for a 28-minute flight time, 2 USB-C charging cables so you can charge both batteries at the same time, a full set of extra props, an instruction manual, quick start guide, and a disclaimer and safety guidelines document. And while you're taking time to get used to flying the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone, I suggest that you read through the entire user manual, but always take the quick start guide in the case out with you when you go to fly, because you want to reference it so you can get used to all of the steps that are required in order to get this guy in the air and fly safely. I've had a fantastic time getting out and really flying, learning how to use this drone and fly it well. Truly hope this video helps you in some way. If it does, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you and ask your questions so I can answer them for you. I've got quite a few other Ruko products back here behind me that I'm going to be doing videos on as well, so look out for that. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in the next video.